If you want to add or remove widgets on a lock screen on Nothing Phone 3, then first of all we need to go to settings. Over here we're gonna go to customization, swipe to the right in order to show the lock screen, and then you can, for example, tap on widgets over here. Or you can also just tap on the lock screen and then tap on this field where we have our widgets. In order to remove a widget, you need to simply tap on this removal button in the top right corner of the widget. If you want to add a widget, you can just simply choose whichever widget you wish to add. You can press and hold it and then drag it to the desired place. In some cases, we also have different customization options that you can go through, and then you can simply go back. There we go. Now, in addition to that, you can find, of course, various different sizes of widgets. So we have 1x1 widgets or 2x2 widgets, so the space is limited. However, you can extend the space by using this switcher over here, expand widget area, which allows us to use twice as more space for widgets at the cost of the clock. So the clock will be much smaller after that. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.